Today, we're diving into the DASH diet, a game changer for your health. DASH. It's all about eating foods that help lower blood pressure, boost heart health, and pack a nutritional punch. We're going to explore what the DASH diet is, which foods to fill your plate with, and how it can transform your health. So, if you're looking to make a positive change in your eating habits, stay tuned, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our healthy eating journey. Also, stick around until the end to see 2 of our favorite DASH diet recipes. First of all, what is the DASH diet? This diet is a special way of eating that helps keep your heart happy and your blood pressure in a good range. Here's what you need to know about it. DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. That's a fancy way of saying it's a diet to help stop high blood pressure. It's not just for adults. Kids and teenagers can follow it too to stay healthy. Eats lots of fruits and veggies. They are full of vitamins and make your body strong. Whole grains are important. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread are good choices. Low-fat dairy is part of the plan. Think about milk, yogurt, and cheese that don't have a lot of fat. Lean meats, fish, and poultry are good. These give you protein without too much fat. Nuts, seeds, and beans are on the list. They are tasty and good for your heart. Less salt is better. Too much salt can make your blood pressure go up. Sweets and fatty foods are okay sometimes, but don't eat them too much. Remember, the DASH diet is about eating things that are good for your heart and keeping away from too much salt and sweet stuff. The DASH diet is not just about eating yummy foods, it's also packed with lots of health benefits. Let's check out why this diet is so awesome. Lowers blood pressure. Like turning down the volume on your favorite song, the DASH diet can turn down your blood pressure, keeping it at a healthy level. Keeps your heart happy. It's like giving your heart a big hug. Eating foods from the DASH diet makes your heart strong and happy. Strengthens bones. With foods rich in calcium, like milk and yogurt, your bones get super strong, just like your favorite superhero. Helps with weight control. Following the DASH diet can help you maintain a healthy weight, making you feel light and energetic. Reduces risk of cancer. The diet is full of fruits and veggies that have special powers to help protect you from some types of cancer. Boosts brain health. Foods on the DASH diet can help your brain work better, so you can solve puzzles faster and remember things easily. Improves digestive health. With lots of fiber from whole grains and veggies, your tummy will be happy and you won't feel bloated or uncomfortable. Controls blood sugar. It helps keep your blood sugar steady so you won't feel super tired or super hyper all of a sudden. Lowers bad cholesterol. The DASH diet helps lower the bad cholesterol in your blood, keeping your blood vessels clear and working well. Increases good cholesterol. It also helps increase the good cholesterol, which is like having more friends to protect your heart. Now that you know more about the benefits for the DASH diet, let's take about what foods are allowed on the diet. Vegetables are super important in the DASH diet. They are like the superheroes of food because they help fight bad stuff in your body. You can eat lots of veggies like carrots, spinach, broccoli, and tomatoes. They're not only colorful but also full of vitamins and minerals. Fruits are nature's candy and they are super tasty. Apples, bananas, oranges, and berries are all great choices. They are sweet, juicy, and good for your heart. Plus, they give you a lot of energy to play and have fun. Whole grains are foods like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oatmeal. They give you energy to run, jump, and play. They also help keep your heart happy and healthy. Think of them as your body's fuel. Proteins help build your muscles and keep you strong. On the DASH diet, you can have lean proteins like chicken, fish, and beans. They are like the building blocks for your body, helping you grow and stay strong. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are great for your bones. They have calcium, which is like a superhero for your bones, making them strong and tough. Just make sure you choose the low-fat or non-fat options to keep your heart smiling. Not all fats are bad. Nuts, seeds, and oils like olive oil are good for you in small amounts. They have healthy fats that help take care of your heart, so a little handful of nuts or a drizzle of olive oil on your salad is a good idea. The DASH diet says eating too much salt is a no-no because it can make your blood pressure go up. So try to eat less salty foods and enjoy the natural tastes of all these yummy foods. So that's the Dash Diet food list. It's full of tasty and healthy foods that can make your heart strong and keep you running fast on the playground. As an extra bonus, here are 2 of our favorite Dash Diet recipes. Grilled tilapia with mango salsa is focusing on lean protein from the tilapia and healthy fats from the avocado, with the mango adding a sweet and nutritious touch. Ingredients: 4 tilapia fillets, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 ripe mango di shed, 1 ripe avocado di shed, 1 to 4 cup red onion, finely chopped, 1-2 cup cilantro, chopped, juice of 1 lime, 1 jalapeno, seeded and minced, optional. Instructions: prepare the mango salsa. In a medium bowl, combine the diced mango, avocado, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, and jalapeno, if using. Season with a pinch of salt and mix gently. Set the salsa aside to let the flavors meld. Grill the tilapia. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Brush both sides of the tilapia fillets with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Place the tilapia on the grill and cook for about 3-4 minutes per side, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Serve. Serve the grilled tilapia fillets on a plate and top each with a generous portion of the mango salsa. Optional serving suggestions: pair the dish with a side of brown rice, quinoa, or a fresh green salad to complete the meal. Enjoy! This spinach and feta stuffed chicken recipe incorporates lean protein from the chicken, nutrient-rich spinach, and calcium from the feta cheese, aligning with the Dash Diet's principles of heart-healthy eating. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 cups fresh spinach leaves, 1.2 cup feta cheese, crumbled, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: 1 teaspoon dried herbs, such as oregano or thyme. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 F, 190 C. Prepare the filling. In a pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the spinach and cook until it wilts, about 3-4 minutes. Remove from heat and mix in the crumbled feta cheese. Prepare the chicken. Cut a pocket into the side of each chicken breast. Stuff each chicken breast with the spinach and feta mixture. Bake. Bake in the preheated oven for 25-30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the juices run clear. Serve. Serve with a side of steamed vegetables, whole grain rice, or a salad for a complete Dash Diet-friendly meal. Enjoy! Thanks for watching our deep dive into the Dash Diet and how it can revolutionize your health. This heart-healthy plan isn't just about reducing sodium. It's about balancing nutrients to battle high blood pressure and improve your overall well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthful insights and tips.